International Political Economy, Department of International Studies, University of Guadalajara. Professor Ernesto Villarroel Alvarado. Milano is a toy company that produces 1,000 toys a day, working at its maximum capacity. To achieve this production, 100 workers are employed. But a deep crisis has hit the country during the last year. Unemployment has increased, and families have limited their income to basic expenses. So instead of working with the factory to its maximum capacity, the company decides to hire half of its workers and produce only 500 toys a day. Like Miniland, the other companies in the region will reduce their production and workers to 50%, which will aggravate unemployment. In this case, following the thought of Keynes, the state must promote effective demand to combat unemployment. Thus, it makes a first productive reactivation with increased public spending. Then, it decides to implement an expansive monetary policy. In order to do that, it issues bills and coins and integrates them into the economy. Interest rates are reduced. Companies understand that it is not convenient for them to keep their money in fixed terms, since there is very little profit they get from banks, and they would get much more if they managed to produce and sell more goods and services. Having more money in the hands of families, Miniland is convinced that the demand for their toys will grow, so it withdraws its money from the bank and also asks for a loan for the purchase of new machinery that will allow it to increase its production to 1,500 toys per day. So it will be necessary to hire more workers to operate the new machinery, and as a result, unemployment will be further reduced. This is how the fiscal and monetary policy decisions of the state based on the thought of Keynes have the desired effect.